That fits. He's wild reversing his truck, his car. It nearly crashed. Come buddy, I will make space for you. And there we got... That was a bad idea. So now I'm on my way to like a school or something, I don't know, because the customer is not answering the phone. So I just grabbed some pallets by myself if he doesn't have anyone. Yeah, so actually I don't know, I will call my brother or my dad. I think that they already delivered some stones there, maybe they can tell me. Hopefully we can get some nice shots. I guess it's here. Oh yeah, it's there. It's a pretty close one. Okay. So let's see if we can get in there. That fits. That fits. That fits as well. Holy shit, that is closer than I thought. Oh no, I can't get past that. Yeah, fuck it, then I just upload right there.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow.
Okay, so let's get out of this hell. Yeah, it's the perfect time to be at a school. All these school mummies are taking their children home. And I can't go to the right because I will hit that with my trailer. So I could turn right here, but there's a wrong parked car. So I just can go left. And I don't know if that is a good idea. We will see. What is this? Okay, my GPS says left, so I go left. Oh, and buses. It nearly crashed. He's wild reversing his truck, his car. Wait. Dude. Come, buddy. I will make space for you. Halt an. Yeah, what is he doing right there? I'm not waiting. So unlucky today. Dude, I hate this town so much. You are trolling me, right? No car behind me. And there we got... That was a bad idea. I was still in reverse. See? That's how it goes. Whew. Oh, please no, please no. That was stressful. Okay, we have just 1 kilometer left till I'm on the highway to get the next trip done. So, yeah. That was pretty stressful. Well, if you enjoyed it, well, I enjoyed it too, but it's not a good idea to get to a school at this time. There's always a lot of trouble. So help me out, support the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see us next time. Bye bye.